Hi this, my first rant, vid. You can call me Squishy. 3. It's nice to meet you all. As you can tell, my favorite character is Chihiro, so let me tell more about myself. My main fandoms are MHACRK, F, FNAF, and Danganronpa, and many more. I'm making a rant video because everyone is making one, so I decided to make one anyways. If you want me to rant on something, comment it in. Also, sorry if the video is bad, this is my first rant video, so please give me tips so I can improve. I go by she, they anyway, Squishy out.